Determination is a quality where one tries to accomplish their goals no matter what kind of obstacles lie in front of them. I can surely say that a great example of this value has been displayed by Aakash Institute. Not even a pandemic could stop them from providing quality education. Though the classes are online, the faculty make sure that each student is included in the class discussion and ensures no one is left behind. They also conduct makeup classes for students who have either missed their classes or students who just want to reinforce the concept and clear doubts. The Aakash iTutor website also needs appreciation. There are videos explaining the concept in an easy understanding and graphical way, with practice tests, question papers and much more. The timings of the classes are also in perfect balance so as to not strain the students from looking at the screens for too long. There are many more amazing features I could talk about, but then it would take forever. Thank you.